It's your girl Recipe coming at you with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. Without further ado, y'all just got done eating. My food, baby, I had got some food from the Jamaican restaurant. I had cabbage, jerk chicken, and red beans and rice. Baby, and I'll tell you after this video and after I get in the shower, I'm gonna be slumped. And y'all, I have became, could you say I've become, whatever. I'm a fan of TikTok Shop slightly. I've only ordered a few things off of there. By the time y'all see this video, hopefully y'all see my things that I purchased from TikTok. But I just had a purchase come in today. Oh no, I lied. A couple of days ago. Y'all. So, y'all. I was on TikTok and what was I looking at? You know when you just be scrolling. And I had came across somebody trying chamoy sauce. And me like, y'all, when I eat my fruit, like say if I make like a little medley, I eat peaches with cucumbers and also like watermelon or, you know, stuff along that. I like to add either hot sauce or I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I think it's tahini. Let me see, because I got it right over here. So I like to use hot sauce or this. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but this is that this is that spice. So yeah, I like to use this. So I was just like, people were saying like if you like to add stuff to your fruit and stuff, you might like chamoy. And I seen a mixed reviews. Some people were saying that they like it. Some people were saying like it wasn't, you know, a liking or it's an acquired taste for your taste buds. Y'all, this stuff tastes so good. And it's sugar free. What is it? Sweetened with monk fruit. It's carb free, sugar free, gluten free, vegan, no artificial dyes, keto friendly, and Latina found it. Okay. And it says go Texans. So I'm guessing it's Texas. Yeah, made in Texas, manufactured in Texas. 0 calories, 0 total fat, only 40 milligrams of sodium, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, and 0 protein. So this is good. This is really good. I like it. Without further ado, let me fix my chair because I'm like crooked and it's like bothering me. It's really bothering me. Okay, and I'm loving my TikTok chair, y'all. TikTok. So this got my information on it on both sides. Y'all, this is from, did I say where this is from? This is a Temu little miniature haul situation. Now I'm going to be throwing stuff away as we go. Because y'all know how we get down. Yeah, that food was so good. So this, you know, I feel like any and everybody, but especially being a woman, should have a protector tool. So y'all, I had purchased this. It's kind of rugged, but oh yeah, that thing's sharp. Yeah, so you know, just to keep in your purse, keeping your undergarment, you know, your bra, or hey, if you need to put it down, either you need to put it in the attic or the basement. So top part or the lower part of the body. Yeah, just you should always have something, especially if you like to go walking or jogging by yourself, which I really am not an advocate for that, especially if you're a woman, but hey, tomato. But if you're definitely like out and about doing, you know, errands, grocery shopping, you should definitely have you a little something if it, whether it's something like this, whether it's a taser, whether it's maybe something a little bit more bold and beautiful, if you get my gist. Then we got this. So yeah, get you something. What's this? And I be like, oh, and I even got this. Like I be getting stuff from my family, my uncles, my brother, my auntie, my mama, my nana. I had seen this and thought this was cute. Hey, how you open this? Cause I ain't trying to. Ooh. Make me feel like Kill Bill. It's a little tough to get out. So yeah, a little something to have. Oof. And we're at the nail table. We're at the nail table. Coming to you live from the nail table. Like that food gave me a burst of energy. I ain't ate all day. And I shouldn't have ate this late, because what time is it? Well, I'm ashamed to say it, it's like 12:47 at night. But the portion I ate was like so small. It was actually leftovers from the day before yesterday. So yeah. So I finished it off, okay? So y'all know I've been telling y'all, go on Temu if you want like cheap pajamas and stuff. Y'all, this is a nightgown. It feel like a little satin nightgown, spaghetti string. It ain't nothing sexy, it's just like loungewear. I'm big on loungewear. Like either I'm in like a tank top and some boxers, like the matching boxers, or just a t-shirt and like some Fruit of the Loom boxers. But I'm all about loungewear, especially like when company's over and family's over. I don't just be chilling in my drawers, you know. I like to, put on some loungy wear. So definitely go on there. And y'all, these lounge wears, nightgowns and stuff, like this one is a long one. That one was like, the other one was just knee length. This one I think is below the knee. And this one has like butterflies. Just something so simple. Kind of another satin material. I like satin material and cotton material because like I'm a sweater when I sleep. So it can like, I can breathe. Like I can breathe through the, through the material. And then y'all, how many of these? I got these combs. I got 2 of them. Y'all, because they supposed to help with like dandruff and stuff. I guess it catch the dandruff, or if you put something in there, or yeah, it's a dandruff comb. So we'll see how this works, because y'all know I got real bad dry scalp. Like, I mean dry scalp to the point like it be looking like it's snowing. So yeah. Oh, I got another one. I think I got one of these for my mom. Basically the same thing. Another little protection situation. And all these are from Temu. And I would say this was like $1 or $2. And then what is this? I don't know, it just says black on it. I don't say what it is. Okay, so these are some leggings. And like on the side, they got the see-through part. I'm gonna definitely have to do like a try-on to show y'all. I hope these ain't like see-through up to the crotch area. Yeah, to be continued. We got a hat. I thought this hat was cute to like match my I don't know if my head can even fit in this. It's a little small. I got a scarf, I could fit a little bit, but I basically got this so like if I ever wear, my Chanel bag is giving that argyle type of print, quilted print. So we go with my little Chanel bags. Y'all know me, I like to be a little matchy sometimes when I feel like trying a little bit. Y'all got a whole bunch of nightgowns. Like I type in, let me see if I can look on my phone. So when I go on Temu, I type in, see all stickers. I got looking for stickers, but anyway, I put plus size loungewear. And then, matter of fact, I think that's the one I just had. So I do the categories. I do size. Y'all know me. I'm a hunka burning love. Y'all know me. I do 5X, 6X, 7, and 8, which is a 22, 24, 26, 28. And I also do a 22/24. And I go to show results. And then I even go to the sort by, and I go to low to high. So y'all, oh, they got some new ones. As y'all can see, this was the butterfly one I just showed y'all. That's $4.67. So when you do what I just did, they show you loungewear, like whether it's a night shirt. Like I like nightgowns and stuff. Y'all, this so far, $4, $5, $4. Like, y'all just gotta look on Temu. You definitely have to look. But yeah, this was the one I just showed. See, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's one thing. I ain't gonna lie to you, baby. Here goes another nightgown. I thought it was so cute. It says beautiful with a butterfly and it's spaghetti straps. And it's good to wear like these in the summertime, especially if it's hot and you got your fan on and you got the little outline right there. Especially like if you got your fan on because you don't want to turn your air on because you know it's going to make the bill sky high. It's good to have something that your body can breathe through, get that breeze up in the crevices, you know. So it's good to get like little short sets, or even if you want to just get little nightgowns, they got long sleeve, short sleeve, no sleeve, you know, spaghetti straps. So definitely go in there, y'all, and look. I got this massage brush because I actually have one in the shower. This one I got from Dollar Tree, but I figured I could get this one, y'all. It's good. So once again, I have real bad dandruff. So like when I, you know, my wash days, when I wash my hair, y'all, I need something to scratch my scalp. Like when my mom be washing my hair, because you know we kitchen beauticians. Yes, my mom washed my hair in the sink. We've always done that since I was little, and now that I'm 32, we still do that. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Okay, don't judge my mama, judge your mama. But yeah, when my mom be washing my hair, yes, my mom still wash my hair, my big old age. I be like, Ma, you're not scratching it hard enough. Like, and she be just like scratching. I be like, Ma, you're not scratching my hair hard enough. So I be having her use the brush. Y'all, I got this one because it got a handle. Basically, you just be That'd be the best feeling ever. Getting your head scratched. Baby, I'm trying to tell you. And they got leggings on there too. I got these leggings just to have because I told myself until I lose like some more weight, I'm not buying any clothes. You know, I'm not. I'm just not. So I got these leggings. They supposed to be like look like jeans. You know, that's not a real pocket. It's a fake pocket. And I figure it's just something cute to throw on. Hopefully it's longer enough because I know I'm very long and tall. So yeah, and I got these in the size 6XL because y'all, my butt big. I got hip thighs and cankles and all that stuff. So I need stuff to fit me. So I always go the biggest size. Oh, and they stretch. Oh, we in there. Yeah, I go the biggest size. I look at their reviews. And if they got pictures like people with the stuff on, I look at that too. So yeah, y'all. What else we got? I bought this for the front door downstairs. You basically, I'm dropping stuff. You basically slide this in between the door, and it helps with like drafty wind, or making sure nothing try to get under your door. Because I know sometimes like my older house, like the doors are inside the house, they don't touch the floor. So like just to have that if you want to close your door and stuff, because like in the summertime you can't hide from them. Ants come from everywhere, especially if it's little cracks. So it's good to have, you know, stuff like that, you know, house spiders, centipedes, and ants, you know, keep that under your door so nothing coming from outside. And then I just got another one. Oh, you know, it's bad. There's like so much going on right now. Okay, that's everything. Y'all, so of course, I seen that they had little house shoes that kind of like, I guess, wanted to be the dupe of the UGG house shoes or something. Yeah, I thought these were so cute. I want to say these was $9. I got these in the size 12, 13, I think. Y'all, these are so cute. They look comfortable. Let me try one on. Because I was like, I like my house shoes a little big. But yeah, y'all, these is perfect. If my feet wasn't swollen, I would show y'all, but I don't need y'all laughing at my cankles. Okay. And then they had them in this size. I was like, oh, these are cute. Once again, 12, 13, so it's a 46, 47. These were $9 too. Got them in this camel color. Gotta be careful because you know this part, this white part, cream color part, gets dirty easily. Let me try these on. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. And they got a hard bottom, so you can wear these outside. Oh, baby. Yeah. So, yeah, y'all. Open this. And then I got some of these scrunchies, y'all. These never last in my house. Man, my mom uses them a lot because when she doing her hair. And then when I'm like pinning my hair up or washing my hair, I'm like, Ma, you got a scrunchie? You gotta find one. There's one laying around somewhere. And I'll go in her room and find one laying somewhere or on the floor. And I'll be like, okay, found it. And then they had this show. I thought this was cute. I actually got a dupe Louis one like this. But when I seen this on Temu, I was like, this is cute. Definitely cute. It's like a wristlet. And you can put cards in there, but I'm not putting no cards in there. It got a little funky industrial smell, but that's okay. Yeah, I thought this was cute. And this wasn't much either. I think it was on like one in stock. But if you look for like checkered purse, checkered bag, checkered handbag, checkered wallet, checkered pouch and stuff, they got a whole bunch of checkered stuff, like Louis Vuitton inspired stuff on Temu. And then the last item we have from Temu is some cutout leggings. So this is supposed to be like at the knee part. So hopefully these fit too. I got these in a 6XL. They look stretchy. Hopefully they can fit me. But yeah, y'all, that was my little mini haul. Hope y'all enjoyed my little Temu mini haul, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.